Hey guys, I'm Gabby and I'm 17 years old. I'm currently an intern at We Uplift The World, and I can honestly say this experience expresses possibilities that I never imagined to see. Before this internship, I never really had a way to show other artists like me they had a chance. But here, I learned how powerful young people really are when they're given the tools, support, and space to lead. I gained skills in leadership, communication, organization, and experience. But more than that, I learned that I belong in spaces that shape the future. We Uplift the World isn't just about helping youth, it's about empowering us to uplift each other, our communities, and ourselves. We Uplift the World is focused on giving artists and creative entrepreneurs the tools they need to have a sustainable and successful career. That kind of support is rare and is needed now more than ever. Because when youth like me are uplifted, we become change makers. We see the promise around us, and we learn how to be a part of the solution. I'm here today because someone believed in me, believed that I'll make it far. And now I'm asking you to do the same for the next young person waiting to be seen, heard, and supported. Your donation matters, no matter the size. Help fund programs that build confidence, leadership, and real opportunity for the youth who just need a chance. Please consider giving after this video. Help us uplift the next generation of leaders because we're ready. We just need you on our side. No more starving artists.